we went through Dropping by Super M. As you may know or not, this song is super powerful and energetic. We just went through the second chorus in our K-pop dance workshop in Arizona, and that was quite intense, but it was also a lot of fun. So in this video, I'm gonna give you guys a quick tutorial for the second chorus, and we're gonna do with the actual music at the end, so hopefully you guys can get it. Before we start this video, we actually have the in-person Arizona K-pop dance workshop on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 8 to 9 p.m. and this workshop opens for any levels and ages. So if you love K-pop dancing, please feel free to join us. We are opening the studio following the COVID-19 regulation, wearing the masks and washing and sanitizing hands. We also have the free live workshop on our Facebook group called Arizona K-pop Dance Workshop, and that one also opens for any levels and ages, and it's completely free. So even if you're not living nearby Arizona, that's still totally fine. You can join us on the live. More informations are attached on the description in this video, so feel free to check them out. Alright, whenever you guys ready, let's begin. Alright, so today we're gonna start on one. We're gonna step to the right, left, right. Good. Your leg's just gonna step to the right and step to the left and step to the right. I want you guys to have the big step, so you don't need to close your feet. Just step big, big, big. Good. And then your arms move the opposite side. So when you step to the right, take your left arm up, switch, and switch. Great. Let's do the count. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. And on 4, we're gonna put our feet together and facing to the left. And your arms go from here and take arms on the side, make a fist, and bring it up. Good. And to here from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now bring your arms down, passing the side, and bring it in front of the chest. At the same time, you're gonna take your chest, belly, hip, and step forward. Feet, both feet together. One more time. From up, side, chest, belly, hip, and feet. And one more time. Step. Good. After facing left, we're gonna bring the arms down and step. One more time. Step. So that you can put your right foot down and push the air with your left arm. We're gonna face backward and vibrate. Use your chest and the shoulders and just vibrate. Good. Alright, from the beginning, in the count. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. So that we can go hip to the left and hip to the right. Good. I'm gonna face forward, so that's gonna be mirrored. But technically, your heels move to the left first and right. Same as your hip, move to the left, move to the right. Same thing as your shoulders, move down your left one and down your right one. And if you can also look down left, look down right. Good. And then after that, you're gonna face to the left and take your left leg up. Good? Alright, so after wave, step, now push the air and vibrate. Now you're gonna step to the left, step to the right, and face the left, and then take your left leg up. Good. And then after that, we're gonna step twice and face front. When you step twice, you can pull your arms 1, 2. And then you're gonna take your arms up, pull it down. When you pull your arms down, point your left toe, drag to your right foot, and your body moves up. Good. Alright, this is the first 2 8. Let's start from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, and step, 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 up and wave, wave, step, vibrate, and left, right, kick and pull, pull, down. Good. Let's do the count. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now after this, you're gonna step to the left, clap your hands, step to the right, clap your hand, step to the left, and flip your hands. Your legs, after this, step to the left. Your knees bended inward and your heel is off the mat. Yeah, just point your toes and then step to the right. Same thing, step to the left. We're gonna go 3 times. Left, right, left. Meanwhile, your arms, after this, bring your hands behind your back and open your hands and clap once. Now when you shift to the right, bring your arms high, bring your hands high, same as your shoulders, and then clap up. And then again, when you switch it, you're gonna flip it. Good? In a count, 7, 8, and 1. Clap. 3, clap. 5. Good. 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now after this, we're gonna go right, left, right, left. Good. Your legs again, it's gonna be right, left, left. Your body moves down, 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 down. 4 times. Your arms are going to be open when you lean to the right, and then cross in front of your chest when you lean to the left, and again open and close. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, and right, left, left. Now after this, you're gonna lean to the right and extend your hands to someone who you want to reach out. Good. Extend your right arm. Next, you're gonna pull your left elbow and take your left knee so that you can put your feet together, make a fist on your right hand, and vibrate. Good. After right, left. Now right, pull, vibrate. Good. Now you're gonna throw with your right arm. After vibrate, you're just gonna throw it and kick with your left leg. Kick. Put your left foot down, right foot go back, and sink your head inside of your arms. Good. After vibrate, throw, left, right. Good. Now last thing, we're just gonna put your feet together and then cover your face, just throw it, and slightly face to the left, vibrate. Good. And again, face front, and step with your left foot, and push there with your left hand. Your chest goes right, front, in, and again, vibrate. And then we're just gonna throw it. Yes, when you throw it, step right and cross your arms. Boom. Alright, we went through quite fast, so let's actually do from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and left, clap, right, clap, flip. Now right, left, and extend your arm, pull your left arm, vibrate, throw, step, and right, and face, vibrate, step left, vibrate, and throw. Good. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Clap, 3, clap, flip, right, left, pull, vibrate, throw, and in, face, vibrate, left, vibrate, throw. Good. All right, let's do in a count. 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, this is the first 4 sets of 8 counts. Let's do from the beginning. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Left, right, kick and pull, pull and down, and 1, clap, 3, clap, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now, after you throw it, you're gonna jump. Good. You don't need to jump higher. It's just gonna be throw and jump. Bend your knees, and then when you land it, your body goes left to right. Yes. Throw, jump. 2, 3, and 4. Extend your arm again. Yeah. To someone who you want to reach, and then you're gonna dab twice. Dab, dab. Good. Your left hand, just keep it down. Only your right arm. Pull, pull, and then step with your right foot again. Pull, back. And then you're gonna hands up. Your right hand make a fist. Left hand open. Just grab it and drop it down, so that you can make a circles on your right, back, left, and bring your arms down from here to shoulders to down. Good. After throw it, now jump. 2, 3, 4, and up, down, circle, in. Now after this, we're gonna step to the right. Left, right, left. Good. Your legs, it's just gonna be after standing straight, cross your left foot behind your right, open, and then step to the left. Step to the right. Open your legs, down, up. Good. Now one more time. 7, 8. Now cross and left, right, down, up. 5, 6, 7, 8, and cross, up and left, right, down, up. Your arms, again, you're gonna bring your arms up, open your armpit, cross, and throw it to the left. Yeah, open your arms, open your hands, throw it to the left, and then put your right foot and pull the arms to the right or to the back. Yes, face back as well. When you open your feet, bring your arms down and up. In a count, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4. So that you can step right forward with your right elbow. Just throw your right elbow and right foot, and then lean to the back as much as you can. You're gonna make a big throw with your right arm. Boom. And then extend your arm again, step, and then extend your left arm again. Good. This is it. Was it fast? Let's do it one more time from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and cross and throw. Right, down, up. Throw and punch. Right, left. Alright, after throw, we're gonna jump. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump. 2, 3, 4, and up, down, circle, down, cross and throw, pull down, up, throw and punch, right, left. Alright, let's put everything together from the beginning. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and step, 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 up and pull, pull, step, vibrate and left, right, kick and pull, pull and down, and 1, cup, 3, cup, flip, right, left, right, throw and in, face, vibrate, step, vibrate, throw and jump, 2, 3, 4, dab, up, down, circle, in, cross and throw, pull down, up, throw, punch, right, left. How was it? It's gonna be a little more faster. So let's do it with a count, and we're gonna try with the music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, left, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's do it with the music. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, left, right, kick, pull, pull, down, 1, 2, 3, up, flip, right, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, good job guys. Again, it was pretty intense and fast choreography, but more you practice, better you're gonna be at, and it's also fun choreography to dance, so let's keep it up. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know with the comments down below, and don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe my channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Let's go. shake it, shake it like you on my birthday. Ayy, ayy. I'ma shake it, shake it, shake it like you on my birthday. Oops, you're not invited. Yeah, you're not invited. Oops, you're not invited. 오늘은 내 맘대로 할래. Every day is my birthday. Yeah, it goes down.